Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today I am sharing with you all a very simple oats and vegetable recipe which can be given as a breakfast, lunch or dinner to babies and toddlers alike. So let's look at the ingredients. Here I have taken some powdered oats. These are simple quick cooking oats which I had already powdered. If you want, you may choose not to powder them as well. So this is half a cup of oats. I have 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion. If you want, you can grate these things also. Same amount of tomatoes, that is 1 tablespoon. And I have half cup of mixed vegetables. So I have taken what was available to me. If you want, you can also choose to use different vegetables. So I have some different colored peppers, corn and carrots. You can also use peas if you want. Some spices, so I have cumin seeds, haldi, cumin seed powder and 1 teaspoon ghee. So I have heated the ghee here and I have put about 1 pinch of zira or cumin seed. Once it starts spluttering, we'll add onion. Now if you're going to make it for say 9 to 10 months old baby, you can also grate it finely, or you can also choose to blend the whole thing at the end. So it's all up to you how you want, or if it is for the toddler, you can just cook it well and give as it is. We are adding all the vegetables here and we'll saute them nicely. Now this is for a toddler, that's why we have used big chunks of vegetables and I've added a little salt. But if you make it for baby, please avoid the salt. Now I'm adding the water and I'll let all the vegetables cook very well. This will take a few minutes, so just leave it. Add the haldi or turmeric powder, just a pinch. Let the water, let the vegetables get cooked. They should be nicely soft and mushy. It's cooking well. You can also cover it and keep it as, just let it cook for some time. Once this will take anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes. So just cover it up, let it simmer it down and let it cook slowly. So here it looks like the vegetables are soft now. They have been cooking for almost 7 to 8 minutes. At this point I will add the powdered oats. You can also make a slurry of oats in water and then mix it if you have trouble with it getting lumpy or anything. Otherwise just mix it well with a spoon and it will all come together. So we'll let it cook for just a couple of minutes after this. Because it is quick cooking oats, it won't take much time and it's all ready. If you want, you can blend it. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. We'll see you again very, very soon.